This is basically a phone holder in which you can use as putting on top of your camera. So if you want to shoot vertical shots and horizontal shots at the same time, then this is the perfect tool for you to have. What you have to do is you turn this, and then on top of your camera, you slide it on, right? And then you put your phone in. All right, this adjusts up and down. All right, you guys, so here you go. Now, I know y'all like, well, that is horizontal. Both of this is horizontal. Okay. Yep. If you want to shoot horizontal on your phone, you can shoot horizontal. If you want to shoot vertical, here you go. Wow. So if you want to do a vertical shot, you can do vertical and you can do horizontal with your main camera. And that's so if you're shooting like videos for like reels or shorts, you can hook up a light. If you need to hook up a light or a microphone, you can hook that up here. All right. And the same with this side, a light or a microphone, you can hook up right there. Our good old Mickey mic, you guys. I haven't used this mic in a long time, very long time. So we got that right there. If you want to hook up your mic and then hook it up to your camera or to your phone, however you want to hook it up. So you can hook up something extra if you need to hook up a light, and then you can do your own little vlogging setup however you want to do it. So if y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section, and that will be it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.